Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. And as you see behind me, I have Mr. Jack Infield here again. God bless you for taking so much time with us. But we're here to show you something pretty impressive. Explain what the zero-G ramp door is.
Most of the conventional doors are very, very heavy. Years ago, they used to put the rail on it, and it was just very, very heavy, very difficult to open and close. So what we've done is made it electronic. In zero gravity, literally, we can lift and close it with the fingers. No crashing down, no more heavy, heavy weight, and it goes down the ground. And now that consumer can get his toys in and out. The beauty, the really simple part is this. Literally, with a finger, you can lift it. And just literally walk it up with no weight, no problem. And then that electronic latch shut, which is confidence that the door is tight.
So if you want more information or you're looking for a toy hauler with this door, go to heartlandrvs.com and look up the Road Warrior. Or if you want more information directly from MORryde, go to MORryde.com.